Good morning, everyone. We have a very unusual sight here. There's a bunch of fog. But my name is Maria Boas, and I'm going to be taking you through a day in my life. Let's go. I live in the apartments, and that means we have 5 flights of stairs to go down. So the walk to school is about 10-15 minutes, 10 on a good day. But I've been considering, I have to start over because I don't know what I'm talking about. My name is Maria. I'm 19 years old, and I hail originally from the Phoenix area in Arizona. I didn't originally come here for screenwriting, actually. It was after I took Professor Christopher Riley's story genre structure class. I think I realized I wanted to write even more. Just finished our midterm. It was a written essay.
And everyone failed.
No. No.
It's really short.
Thanks, Jacob. Oh, there's a pool. Maybe we'll go swimming later. But we finished the exam pretty early, which was really nice. Like I said, it was just a written exam. And I was excited to write about the material, so that's really great. Actually, we're gonna stop by Dominic's house for just a second. I'm gonna say good morning. We're going to the music shop. I've never actually been to the music shop. What are we getting at the music shop?
I need to get a capo.
We're gonna get a capo at the music shop.
Utensils are not to make you bitter. The days are long when your politics are literature. Days went on, and God's considered. Still the pretense on, for you to feel bigger.
So it's about 12:25 right now, so we're gonna finish reading our homework for Intro to Journalism, which we have at 3. We have 2 chapters to finish up, and then we'll walk back to school. So right after class, we're gonna head right on over to the dark, mysterious, creepy alley behind the school, and we're gonna film some stuff. So we have like 5 minutes, and so we gotta hurry. Can we make it to the gate in 2 minutes? Let's find out.
When you face up against Josh, I'm gonna get an extreme close-up of about this much of your face. And I'm just gonna get the wide, oh yes!
Like, what's your current address? So they have me acting in it now. Josh just taught me how to punch.
Actually, just keep it in your left. That'll be fine. You're keeping your left.
So we're all switching to the right.
Just go back to one.
They're perfect. That's awesome. And action.
Wow, what a full day it's been. Going to class, I'm exploring Escondido, going to shops I've never even been in, and of course being on that film shoot. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me, and be sure to like and subscribe, comment, let us know what else you want to see from us. It's finally my day off tomorrow, so that means I get to sleep in, and today wasn't even my busiest day of the week. Thanks so much, guys, and you take care.